was looking like a fool when I met you. All covered.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day as usual. Today's video is another handbag video. So I actually got a bag not too long ago. I had a gift card from when I had purchased a bag before, and I had been waiting to put it towards something, and I kind of had been wanting this bag. It's not a huge purchase, it's just a little something, but I wanted to share it with you because it is a bag that I've been curious for a long time, and I don't really see a ton of videos on it because it's such a small bag, and it just kind of thinks, well gosh, what can you fit in this bag? So I thought it would be fun to kind of do an unboxing for you guys, tell you a little bit about the bag, show it to you. So without further ado, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel, and follow me on Instagram. And if you want to see me unbox this new little bag, then keep watching. Okay guys, so like I said, this is a very impromptu video. I wasn't planning on getting this bag, but I had liked it for a long time, and I did have a gift card left over from an event, a prior event, where I had purchased the bag and you got a gift card with it. So I had my eye on the Gucci Dionysus bag, and there are a lot of different sizes in that bag. But I decided to go for this super mini because I thought it was cute. I didn't have anything like it. Plus, it was relatively inexpensive. So this bag is $780, which I know what you're thinking. That is a lot of money, but like I said, I had a gift card to put towards it from another event when I had purchased a bag. Again, it is super small, and let me show you. I got it from Saks Fifth Avenue, but I'll try to find it. If I can't find it, I'll be sure to link it below where I am able to find it. But it came in this Gucci box, and let me show you. It comes in this cute little Gucci dust bag, which I've told you guys before. I always like to hold on to the dust bags as well as the receipts in the event that I ever get tired of the bags and I want to resell them. That way it kind of holds its value, and it proves that it is an authentic bag. Completely wrapped up. And again, I don't have anything like this. This is like the tiniest bag I think I've ever seen. Okay, so this is the bag right here, you guys. Is this not the cutest little thing you've ever seen? And the thing I liked about this, I thought it would be great to kind of either use as a wallet that I could throw in another bag, and let's say I'm traveling, I want to put a wallet in the bag, but then I'm like, oh, I don't feel like carrying the whole bag, and I can just grab the purse out and use it as a crossbody. I just thought it was so cute. Now, it comes in two colors. You can either get this taupe right here. This is suede. You can get it in taupe, or you can get it in black. And then I think they also have it with the floral design on it, but I just wanted something really simple that would match. So this is what it looks like right here. It is 6.5 inches in width, 4 inches in height, and 1.5 inches in depth. So as you can see, it is an extremely small bag. It comes, the thing I like right here, it comes with this little snap closure. It's a textured tiger head, which I think is really neat, and it references the Greek god Dionysus, which I thought was really creative. It has the classic Gucci print. This is canvas right here. It doesn't have a pocket on the back, so let me show you. You open it up like this. Oh, and I have everything inside. So there, I'm going to be honest, there is not much space in there at all, you guys. I don't know how much I'm going to be able to fit. But one thing that I did think was kind of neat, on the inside, it comes with this little hook right here that you can hook onto another handbag, which is very creative. And it comes with this long strap right here. This is a silver strap. And let me put it on for you. So I would wear it as a crossbody like this, and it hits right to my hip. It's kind of hard to see here, but look how cute that is. I just thought that was so adorable. Now I don't know how much is going to fit in here. I have an iPhone 7, so let's see if that fits. One thing, it kind of does have this little flap. I'm not really sure of the purpose. There's not a pocket, but let me see if I can shove my phone in here. Okay, I can, you guys. I can fit my iPhone 7. I don't have the Plus, I just have the regular iPhone 7, and it fits in there comfortably. And I think I could, let me check one more thing. I have a little card holder here, so let me see if I can fit that in as well. Yep, I can fit the card holder in there as well, and I can shut it pretty comfortably. So again, this is not a bag that you're gonna take with you if you're gonna carry a whole lot of stuff. It's a bag that if you're traveling and you just need some cash, your phone, and a wallet, and it's perfect. I thought it was so cute. I love the fact that it will go with anything. I think this is gonna be a great bag in the summertime. I could see you wearing like skinny jeans, maybe like a white t-shirt, maybe some sandals. I just think that that would look really, really cute. You could dress it up too. But like I said, I don't have anything like this. I just thought it was adorable. And I had the gift card, and I didn't want to buy something like really, really big or really expensive because, you know, I did just buy my YSL handbag not too long ago. So I opted for this. I thought about purchasing a pair of sunglasses, but I don't really need any. So again, I thought this was really nice. I did want the larger size, but it was more expensive, so I opted for the tiny one. But yeah, so if you open it, like I said, I have my phone in there, and you could probably fit like a lipstick or something. But that's about it, guys. It is literally the smallest bag I've ever seen, but it's super, super cute, and I think it's going to be really functional. I love the fact you can use it as a wallet, throw it in, take it out, and like I said, it does have that strap. Will really come in handy. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and show it to you, and then kind of show you like what fits in here. I guess I really don't need to do a what's in my bag because honestly that's pretty much all that can fit: my phone or a card holder, and then maybe some lipstick. It doesn't have any other compartments in there, so that's it. It is super, super tiny, but super, super cute. So I'm really excited about this for the summer months. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I will be sure to link this bag down below if I can find it. And I also did a couple recent handbag videos. I did my handbag collection, and I compared the Gucci Soho disco bag to the YSL camera bag. I will leave that at the end as well, because if you're anything like me, I love to research these products and watch videos on them before making the leap and purchasing them. So if you liked it, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to also follow me on Instagram. I'd love to have you join me over there. Have a wonderful day. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch, and I will see you in the next video.
I was looking like a fool when I met ya, all covered up in the dirt from my past. So insecure about my